Tina, and today I'd like to show you how the seamless digital printer to print the seamless printing socks. Okay, let's do some preparation. Yeah, are you ready? Okay, if you're ready, here we go. What you need is just a blank of sock and load up to the roller. What you see now is Colorado live broadcast. We are now printing socks for you. So welcome to subscribe us. So what you wanted to print, anything you wanted to print, just let me know and give the comments to the comment section, and we will see it and we will print for you during the live if possible. Okay, so here what I'm grabbing here is the blank sock. You see, it's just blank. White color. Yeah, and inside it just neat and clean. Inside is just neat and clean. Okay. 小张啊，这个 button 为什么没有用了呢？这个 button 转不了了。第二个倒反了。Okay, here we go with another one. Okay. So once you load up the sock, it has to be neat and clean and flat. It's so flat. You see, the surface is flat. Okay, and here I use the laser. I'm a little bit short, sorry. So for me, yep. I need to adjust it. You see the cross one? I need to adjust and get to the proper position. Okay, so welcome you to subscribe us, and here what you are watching is the Colorado YouTube channel, and we are here for the live broadcast, and in the live broadcast we will print for you. So anything you can think about it, and just let me know and we could print. And just 2 days ago, or just, if I didn't remember wrong, yesterday, and some new subscriber, they asked us to print beer. Yes, you didn't hear wrong. Beer. The summer is coming, and after work, so let's drink a cup of beer. So cheers. And today we will print beer. Okay. So we get this one. The picture we got. Okay. And then just easy click here. This is the artwork of the beer, and just easy click print. It will start printing. You see, now the cartridge is preparing for it. Hi, Brian. Welcome you. Welcome to our live broadcast. Oh, cat. Okay, we will do that for you. Okay, don't leave us and just stay there, and we will print the cat next. And now the beer is done. You see the bubbles? You see the bubbles? Yeah. So we will bake it. Let's bake it. So send to the oven, okay? And we will see how the color it is. What you are printing now is the polyester sock. So after printing, only need to do is heating. Yeah. So next one, we are gonna to print. Just now Brian said, okay, cat. Let's see if there are some cats here. Yes, I got it. Here, the cat, it is. Okay, that's print. So let's see how cute the cat it is, okay? Brian, you still there? Ah, I see the cat face. So now, 22 seconds, 24. Yeah, this artwork a little bit long. So just 36 seconds, it's finished. And then the cat. You will get the cat, okay? The cat is eating the fish. Thank you, Brian. Okay, let's heat it. Yeah, so here what you see, the conveyor is keep moving. So each needle, it carries the sock to the oven. And into the oven, it needs around 3 to 4 minutes to cure it. So after these 3 to 4 minutes, then the polyester sock will be cured totally. And this process, it's regard for the polyester. So polyester actually is the easiest one. And now you see that beer is coming. Here, the beer, you will see. Wow, so hot. You see the beer bubbles. The beer bubbles is there, right? Yeah. Well, it's not look like 小张. Do you want a cup of drink for the beer? 这个颜色忒黄了。
不是你想要的颜色吗？
不是。
它是什么颜色？
应该是棕色，啤酒的颜色。
先看看它是不是放的没看
出来。Okay, it is a little bit strange of the beer color. Okay, then once you found anything wrong with the image, and then we do check. So it will print with the head status. So let's check it out. If the head is okay. 小胡的图不是这样子的。Okay, so we check it out how the 为什么卡着不动了？
卡住了。你的软件崩溃了，闪婚了，闪退了。
So actually, this one you saw it is the $2, and our design for this $2 actually it could be print for any tubular items like what you see now. This one, the sleeve cover. So纸上打。Okay, here we print the hat status to check it out.
又崩掉了。
为什么？ Okay, so here, welcome you again. That's coming to our YouTube channel and follow us, subscribe us, Joan Colorado. And every week we will have twice the live broadcast. So we will be here and show you how the printer is and how the printer works and what kind of the material you could use and what kind of applications you could print by this printer. Okay, so we will show you how it works. And Colorado actually was established at 2015. So over the last 10 years, we've been focused on the developing and researching and manufacturing the seamless digital printer. Like what you see, I'm standing here is the workshop. So we have so many different models of the printer. And what you see here, this is the upgraded machine, the seamless digital printer for the $4. And with this designed the printer, actually it could be printed for the item of the tubular item, especially the sock. And except the sock, it's also the sleeve covers could be printed by this machine. And also we have this latest upgraded one, $2. And with these $2, we longer this length of the roller. So with the longer length of the roller, you could print with any longer socks, like the football sock. Yes, football sock. So with the $4, that length of the roller is like 60 centimeters. And with this one, it's over than 70 centimeters, could be 73. Yeah, 75 centimeter. So with this longer roller, you could print for like the soccer socks. And with the $4, you could print like the normal crew sock. Okay. And also, you could see that with these $2, we could set it up with the 8 colors printing solution. Yeah, with the 4 heads. So speed-wise, it is still fast. And with these $2, the output, it could be reached like 45 pairs per hour. And the $4, actually, it will be double. So normally, it could reach over than 55, let's say 55, 58 pairs per hour. Well, if you really fast, really fast, and then you could print like over than 86 pairs per hour. Okay. So just now we check out the print head status. So we see the color. Okay. And now we print for a drink of beer. Summer is coming and you need the beer. So friends go outside. We go outside and have a drink of beer. It will cool the whole afternoon, the whole evening, okay? So this is just after printing. I could see it's so cool. I could smell the beer. Okay, let's heat it. Okay. So now we reprint for Brian with the cat. So anything you can think about it, you could just print on the sock. Okay, loading up is done, and we do the cat. Here it will start printing. Yeah, I see the gradient color of the background for this cat. Wow. I saw the cat face. So cute. I could imagine how cute she is. Okay, let's put it out and cure it. So for actually our designed the seamless digital printer, it's suitable for any material like polyester, cotton, wool, nylon, and bamboo fibers. Everything could be printed. Just so far the acrylic, it's not possible to print, and other material, it's all suitable to be printed by our printer. And just different material will be different printing solution, different printing process. So just now what we print is the polyester material, and polyester will be much easier. So only 2 steps. Just print and then heating, then it down. So now you see the beer sock is coming out. And now it looks really like a bottle of beer. You see? The bubbles, and at the top side of the bottle of the beer, so much bubbles gathering together. Wow. Let me smell the beer. The beer tastes so good. Yeah. So anything you can think about, and any innovative idea coming from your brain, and then just realize it to be printed on the sock. Okay, let's wait a little bit for the cat sock. So it's so simple that what you only need is that a clean, neat and clean, the blank sock. You see the inside after printing, it's still neat and clean. So once you wear it, it will be much more comfortable. It's so cool, right? Can you imagine that once you're sitting along the street and have a bottle of the beer, and you're wearing actually a beer sock, you will be the coolest one. And here, the cat is coming. The cute cat is coming. Wow, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Okay, so you see this lovely cat? This lovely cat. Yeah. And let's check out if the head status is okay. So once you doubt about the color, the image, the precision, and then we could just print here with the head status to check it out, how good it is. We need a piece of paper. Okay, so with this piece of paper, we could check out more easier, okay? Okay. So here is printing the head status. So with this print image, and we can check out if the head situation is good or not. Sometimes it is under the not so clear condition, and then the image will be a little bit fluffy. So here we check it out and see here. You see here with 8 colors, and only this head a little bit, you see the lines, the sharp lines is not connected each other so fine. So might be a little bit issue, but it doesn't matter because it is still the small part. Okay, the head status is good. And then we can continuously keep printing. So next, what you wanted to print, any image you wanted to see, we print today for the bear and cat. So anything you can think about it for the image you would like to show it on the sock, and just let us know, and we could arrange for you. Then this time we print a flower. We print a flower and see. So actually what we just now printed the cat, you see it is coming from this picture. So in your daily life, anything very beautiful or funny or cute, you could just use it and make the design and then print on the sock. So I could get it for my caramel cat as the birthday gift for him. Yeah, so you could do that either. So cute, and it will be the forever memory for us, for both of us, right? It is the picture we took for her, and here is the printed sock for her. So you could see how they look alike, right? So it's just that easy, that with the artwork and then load it up to the software and easy click print, then you will get whatever the design it is on your sock. So now the spring season is coming and flowers blossom everywhere. So once you found anything beautiful, you can just shoot a picture and take the photo and then use that photo to make the design and let it become true to your daily life and become your part of your life, and then get this printed sock as a kind of memory, as a kind of gift for your family, for your friends. Okay, so we're now printing the polyester sock, and it's only need 2 steps. Just print and then heating. It will be done. The whole process will be done. Yeah, and just now we talked about the polyester could be printed, right? Yes, and also it could be printed on the nylon material, like this one, the sleeve cover. It is the nylon. It is the nylon material. So either nylon or the poly or the cotton or even the other natural fiber of bamboo, or it is wool. It is also possible to be printed by our designed printer. So here, the 2 rollers, actually you could print like very long sock, and here the length of this roller is 70 centimeter. 70 centimeter. And also with the diameter, you could have alternative options like 82 millimeter, or even smaller, 73 millimeter, or even smaller for the newborn baby, like 60 millimeter diameter. So with different applications, with different alternative options for you, you could just meet up with any request from your customer. Okay, so anyone wanted to see any other printing design? We can print. And now we are printing the little duck. Yeah, the 3D little duck. Yeah, so here we go. The 3D little duck is here, and it will continuously printing. So next one is coming. 你这个好像校准没有弄好哎，虚的。Wow, so cute. The 3D duck is here. Do you see? Yeah, but I found some problem. You see here. Actually, here, it has the double shades, right? So something went wrong. It should be very sharp. So let's check out what's the exact issue it is. 小张，喏，你这个是有重影的。
重影很大。
没校准。Okay, so except the polyester the sock, and then here what you see, we are also could print the cotton. So it's not what I said, it could be print for what kind of material, but indeed we are printing. This is the bulk production. This is the production for the cotton one. So cotton one, actually we use the reactive ink. So the ink wise, it's different. And here what you see is the production. So it is the water-based reactive ink on cotton material. And printing is only one step. It's only one of the steps. Yeah. So we are now printing with the 4 rollers. You could see it is non-stop, continuously working. And for one side, it's under printing, and the other side, the operator is load up the sock. So during printing, it's the time for her loading up. And she needs to be very quick. And after printing, it hung here to the rack. And the next one is continuously coming up for printing. And now it's the time for her to loading up the new one. So the whole day, she's just standing here, load up the sock, offload the sock. Like this one, this 4 rollers, COAT 210 Pro, and the daily output, like say, per hour would be like 55 to 86 pairs. It depends. You see that she's continuously working, never stop, with one by one sock. Keep up, come up for the uploading, and the other one is under printing. So one piece is done and offload, and then keep it to this rack for later next process. And now it is start printing again. So with this machine, you could just continuously working without any stop during the setting. So once you set it up with, let's say, 500 pairs, and during these 500 pairs printing, it will non-stop. So don't wait anymore. Just take action immediately. Take this action, take the printer and start your career with the printing sock for the customization design. You will get a new world of the digital, seamless digital printing sock world. And how amazing it is. Just try. And except the sock, you also could print like the multiple applications. Here, I'd like to show you So except this sock, this slip cover, and then you also could print like this barf scarf. Okay? Yeah. So this barf scarf also possible to load up to this roller and print. Just this roller needs to be bigger diameter. So bigger diameter. And then you load up to the sock and then you could just print. And except this barf scarf, also, if you have a piece of this tubular knitting item, and then you could get the seamless yoga pants, shorts, and even you could get this the seamless t-shirt. Yeah, you didn't see it wrong. It is the seamless. You see, at the side, there is no seam. There is no seam. And this side, also no seam. No seam. Yeah. But someone said, hey, you have the sleeve, this armhole. This armhole has seam. Yes, true, it has seam. Here, this has seam, but this is after printing and we do the cut and sew. And before that, it is just the tube. It is just the tube. Yeah. So 2 tubes actually combined with 1 t-shirt. So 1 tube is for the body, and the other tube is for the sleeve. So once you print it, and after printing, you get another tube for the sleeve, and you just cut it in the middle, and then you get 2 pieces of the sleeves. Yeah, that's the seamless digital printing for the t-shirt, how it works, how it coming out. Yeah, so for these kind of items, any knitting tubular items, we could print by our printer. So we designed different model of the printer, and like this one, it's suitable for the soccer socks, and with that 4 rollers, it's suitable for the sleeve covers and the crew socks. And with this one here, this is actually the 2nd generation. So it is with the long roller, you can see. And now we are printing for the crew sock, but it is printing every time just 1 pair altogether. But with this one, you also could print the ladies' stocking. So the length of this roller will be like over 1 meter long. So with this longest one, you could even print for the ladies' stocking, very long one. Yeah. So different applications, we have different printing solution for you. You will have different multiple choice. And except these different models of the printer, And you also have the software. Like here, we use the normal laser for the positioning. Well, now we also launched the new upgraded system of the software with the visual positioning system by using the camera. Yes, sure, it is camera. So the camera standing here and capture the image first, and with the colored part, which it showed on the blank sock, and then it will jump over immediately, automatically. So during printing, this colored part, which scanned by the camera, it won't print anymore. It just skip over. So during production, with any color part needed for the blank sock, it will be no printed. And with that kind of the upgrading technology, you could have variety of the color for the hue and toe parts. Yeah, I will show you. Here, what I have in hands, you see the hue. The hue and toe are the black color, right? But during printing, actually, just now with the experience we had for the printing, it is the all over printed image, right? So actually, this hue part, it was printed with the color. But due it is black color, you could not see it. You could not see it. But once you change this hue and toe with the colored part, with the light color, and then it will be seen through. So with this, under this circumstance, with the colored part, then you could choose the camera, the visual positioning system. So that is why we launched this visual positioning system for you, for any customers who has a special request. They have the multiple choice. Okay, so here, you see, so with different requirements, we have the different printing solution for you. And even for this kind of stocking, the lady stocking, even it is so thin, right? It could see through the color, and still we could print. We still could print like the tattoo, yeah. Okay, so just now we had the experience how this printer works and what kind of the printing material it could be. Yeah. Just remember, any material like poly, cotton, wool, nylon, bamboo could be possible to be printed. No problem at all. Just remember that with this blank sock, top yarn, the top yarn is always solid. Solid. Remember, solid. Yes. So the top yarn who absorb the ink first, it's always solid. Could not be spinning with the twisting with the mixed yarn. So it could not be cotton and poly all together, spin together, cannot. Just surface yarn, the top yarn, either it is cotton or it is poly. It should be okay. Then the underneath yarn of this spandex, you could have the nylon, yes, the polyamide yarn with spinning with the spandex, or it is the poly, it is okay. But, and here is another tip. Remember, once your top yarn is poly, then the underneath yarn of the spandex covered, spinned with poly. That will be no problem at all. And once your top yarn is the cotton or nylon or wool or bamboo. And then we suggest you the underneath yarn for the spandex spinning together. Use the nylon, use the polyamide. Yeah. And then your color, your printing color, vibrant, will be vibrant. It will be very beautiful. Yeah. So believe me, and remember these two tips. First, the surface yarn. The surface yarn for the blank sock must be solid. And the second tips for you is that the underneath yarn for the spandex. Yeah, for poly, you could use the poly spin. And for the nylon or the cotton or the wool or the bamboo, any question? Hey Kelly, hey, nice meeting you here. Yes, we sell this printer. Actually, these all the printers you see here in the workshop, even it is the $2 or it is the $4, like what you see here. What you see here. Yeah, they are designed and researched and developing and manufactured by us. We are Kaleido. We are manufacturer to make this seamless digital printer. And except selling the machine, we also offer you the after-sale service with the long life, with the whole life longevity of the machine. Yeah, so unless you just drop it, you threw it away, and you are done with this business and you're done with this printer, and then our service will be stopped. Otherwise, once if you still using this printer, even the mode is still the oldest one, we still offer you the after-sale service at any time. Yeah, and I know that we have the we live in the different time zone, indeed, but it doesn't matter. So once we have the appointment with you, and we could be working for the overnight, it's no problem. We have the team, we could have shifts, it's no problem. So our team will support you fully, 100%, even 200%. Okay, so any question, Kelly? Is that satisfied? You are concerned with the after-sale service, right? What is the cost? And different model is different price for sure. And also we supply the different printing solution. So the price based on what exact your requirement is. Like these $4, just basic, the standard cost, it's like sort of $20,000 US FOB. Yeah, it's more or less, but details we need to still discuss. With the detail request, it is two heads or the 4 colors or the 8 colors, or what kind of the extra software you need or the function you need, and the printing solution, what kind of the accessories you need. You need the normal laser or you need the camera one. So based on detailed your requirements, and then the price will be different. But the standard base for this one, it's like 20,000. And for this one, for the $2, yeah, we set it up like the 4 heads already. The 4 heads, it could be support for the 8 colors automatically. So like this one, it is sort of like 18,000. So different machine, different model, and different function, different accessories, different the software, different price. So just let us know what your exact detailed requirements, okay? You can consult with our website, www.coloradotech.com. Consult with our email, or you can just email me directly, tina.ji@coloradoprinter.com. So I'm looking forward hearing from you soon and receiving your email, okay? And we can just discuss in details. And also, subscribe us and follow our YouTube channel. You will get as much as possible the printer, the working status, the video. And also we will share you some tips and some problems each happen daily and with the solution for your as the reference. Okay? You're welcome. You're welcome. And expecting to receive your email soon. Okay? Yeah, just consult our website. Yeah. Okay, so thank you all for watching our live. And here, this is Tina, and I'm so happy to be here, representative as Nimble, Colorado, to see all of you. Yeah, and here what you're watching is the Colorado YouTube channel, and our live will be held twice a week. So every Wednesday and Friday. It is Chinese time, so European customers, you might see us in the Wednesday and the Friday morning time. And for the American people, so you could see us maybe the West American time at the midnight of the Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so welcome all of you to follow us, subscribe us, and watch our live if possible at your convenience. And if you could not see our live, doesn't matter, no problem at all. And just visit us, consult our email, consult our website, www.coloradotech.com. Okay? Yeah. And this is Tina, and I will be here to see all of you twice a week. Remember that. Okay, so what I'm extending here is our workshop. And our company was established at 2015, and we have been focused on the researching and manufacturing the seamless digital printer for over 10 years. And in that years, we have been researching and developing with upgraded machines, and also for this upgraded software. So just recently, after this Chinese New Year, we launched with the auto print, which supports the POD file with the customization. Yeah, so we have that upgraded software, and also have this upgraded software of the camera one. You could see, yeah, the camera, and also this is a light system. So the lights offer the very bright light to ensure that camera have the good condition to scan it in accuracy. Yeah. And also we are working with different printing solutions for our customer. Even the old customers, and they have the first generation of the printer and still running there outside, but we still have the machines standing there and working for them. So once they have any issues with the printer, with the printing solution, and we are 100% sure that we could just get the prioritize resolving the issues immediately. Do you just sell this printer machine, or do you sell printed item for people to sell? Yes, good question, Kelly. So we are selling the machines here, and as what you see, we also do some printing. Yeah. So here you see, this is the production of the printed sock. Yeah, this one. So these are printed sock. We also print for our customer. So if you wanted to get the printed socks for testing, you can place the small order for us, and we will print for you. And also, actually, these are the printer only. Well, as what I mentioned in the early of the live broadcast, that it could be printed for the polyester cotton, nylon, just different material will be different the process. Like this one, it is the wool. So we have to use the relevant facilities, the equipment, like the oven. Here you go. Yeah. So this is the oven. This is the oven for the polyester. So you could see the conveyor system is here. We hung the sock here and go inside to the oven and outside automatically. And then the cure will be done. So this is the oven for the polyester. And beside me, it is the big oven. It is the big oven for heating. So this is affected. This one is affected for the cotton material, nylon material, wool material. And here is the steamer. It's the steamer. So this relevant equipment needs to be used for your applications, but it depends what kind of the material you're gonna to print.
他说，所以我把设计图发你，然后你帮我们打印吗？
So you send a design and you print for it. Yeah, no problem. No problem. We could do that. And that is what we do. And we do that for our customer to get the better printing solution. Okay, so for example, I have this cat. This is my cat, Caramel Cat. Okay, so I just take the picture for her. And then I made the design and I print it. So my cat now is on the sock. So I can wear it. So you can see. So this is what I mean. So anything you could just imagine and have your designs in your mind and then make the pattern and send the pattern to us and we could print for you as well. And once you think you're ready, and then you could think about the printer. Okay? Adorable, yes. And her name is Caramel. Yeah, a nice name. I like her. I really love her. And it's even she's a street cat. But nowadays I already feed her for around 5 years. And every single day when I get off work and to the home, and she's just standing there and waiting for me. So sweet. Yeah, so it's no problem that you can send me your idea, your design, your artwork, and give us the request and we could print for you. No problem. Just consult our email address, okay? You can just visit our website, www.coloradotech.com. And also can send me directly with my email address, Tina, tina.ji@coloradoprinter.com. Okay, expect to receive your email with your artwork. Let's start from printing first. Yeah, very sweet. Yes, she is indeed. Thank you, Kelly. Thank you so much. And okay, any question? Anything you could still think about it for the printer and for the printing item? I'd like to show you here. So why we would like to do this kind of the project for the seamless digital printing sock instead of any other like what I'm here holding the sublimation sock. Yeah, because sublimation sock you could see the disadvantages from this side. It has the white line, right? And the folding line is there. And also at the side seam, artwork could not be completed. It just split up. So that is the disadvantages. And also that the fibers, you see, this fiber actually is still alive. And here, the fiber is just dead after high temperature pressing. So it is dead. And also stretchability wise, it is worse. So considering the limitation and also the disadvantages for the sublimation sock, it only could be used for the polyester sock. So then we thought about, okay, let's do the seamless, the 360 degrees of the seamless. You can see at the seam, this one is still completely designed. Even this seam, there is no folding line, right? And this cat also looks like so cute, and you can see the deeper eyes, even the mustache, right? Thank you so much, Kelly. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, it's glad that we can spend time here in our live broadcast. And thank you so much for your support. Okay, so deal with it and expecting to hear from you soon. Okay, so welcome you still stay here with us, and later we will try others. Yeah. So here, actually, offer sock. We could offer sock. We could, as this one. So we have just not so many choices actually, because we are not the knitting vendor. So we only buy the sock from the knitting vendor as our sample development. But if you wanted to use our sample, our blank sock, is no problem. And so far, we have two kinds of the sock. So one is this spun poly. This is one kind of this spun poly, and the other is like the fake nylon one. So later, once you consult with us, and we could discuss in details. Okay?
What about the
Shirts. Shirts, actually, shirts, I don't think it is the shirts that you may knit, because I believe that you may knit, it is the traditional industry of the shirts. So use the fabric and then do the cutting piece and then sew it, get the shirts to print. But what we have, it's only the seamless tubular. So this is the shirts. This is the t-shirt coming from. This is a tube, right? So this is what we only can do. So any knitting tubular items we could print, and balance we don't. Like the heat press or sublimation for the t-shirt, we cannot do that. What we only could do is like these tubular items loading up to this kind of roller, then to print. So this is our product. So compare with other traditional, the industry of the sublimation, we only could do the tubular items. Yeah, anything in tubular. Like this sock, it is tubular, right? It is the knitting tubular items with seamless. And this one we could do. We could. And like this one, the barf scarf. The barf scarf, yeah, this is the seamless tubular items we could do. Okay, and balance, sorry, it's not our strength. Okay, so anyway, thank you for your support in our live, and waiting for your further news. So any question, anyone have any, we see your question, and we will the questions during our live. Yeah, just let us. Okay, so just now we showed you how the printer works and what's the kind of the material it could print it. So either it is polyester, or it is cotton, or it is nylon, or it is bamboo, or even wool fabric. It could be different material, different printing solution, and different printing process. Yeah, and all of these materials, the polyester one is the easiest one. It just 2 steps. It just needs 2 steps. Printing, and then heating. Then the whole process will be completed. Done. Done for it, right? It's easy, right? So, if you are interested in this seamless digital printing item, and welcome, join us. Get the printer, start your business. Yeah, and for the cotton, let's say cotton, nylon, and wool and bamboo, and this kind of material will have a little bit longer process. It needs the pre-treatment and then printing. And after that, you need the kind of a little bit complex washing process and steaming process. The process a little bit longer and complicated, but if you wanted to join us, and we will support you fully, and we will give you the 100% support for the printing solution, for your guidance, and with the installation, with the training course, no problem at all. So don't worry about the after-sales service. We will be here, fully support for you. Yeah, and even, yeah, I know that we have the different time zone. It's no problem. Once we have the appointment, and then we will be here. We will be working for you even overnight, no problem. Okay? So anything, any further questions, you could think about it, or any concerns, any worries for this seamless digital printer, just let me know. Okay? Let's figure out together. Yeah, and just now we saw the upgraded designs of the printer. So with the 3rd generation of the 4 rollers and with the 4th generation of the 2 rollers. And here what you see, it is the 2nd generation of the printer. From the outside, it is a little bit old-fashioned, but still it has its own advantages. The operator's workload a little bit more than current upgraded designs of the printer, but with this longer sticker, and with this longer sticker, and you still could possible to print very long sock like the lady stocking, yeah, by using this one. Well, the 3rd generation of the printer, the roller length just around 60 centimeters, and with the 4th generation of the printer 2 rollers, we get it longer with the 75 centimeters. But this one, it has over 1 meter. So with the lady stocking items, you could choose still this one, no problem. Yeah. So with these kind of the printers, different model of the printer, and what you need extra additionally is the oven, for sure. For the easiest one of the polyester material, you still need this oven, and it has the conveyor system. So once you hang this sock to the needle, and it will drive the sock automatically into the oven. And inside the oven, it will spend around 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's coming out, then the whole process will be completed. So this is the oven. So you wanted to see the whole outlook of the oven? Follow me. So here it is the oven. It is the oven. This is how the oven looks. Yeah, this is how the oven looks. It is the power is like 18 kilowatts. 18 kilowatts with 3 phases of the power, electricity. And it could support with around 2,000 to 3,000 pairs of the sock per day in 8 hours. Yeah, so this one. And what you need to do is that get this exhaustive fan once you are using exhaustive fan with the pipe, and get the fume out. Get the fume out, because the polyester during high temperature heating, it coming out with the fume more or less. So get the fume outside. And this one, this is the cotton. So now it is after heating, so dry already. And after it's dried, it needs to go to the steamer. So this steamer is another equipment additionally used for the cotton or the nylon or the wool material for the finishing process. So you see here, and now it's just it's finished for the heating and now waiting for the steaming. So once after steaming, then the color will pump out. So it will be very, very vibrant. And yeah, so this rack could be fully sent to this oven for heating. It's designed for this oven, and it could hang like around 40 pairs in one of the rack. Yeah, so every time 40 pairs. Yeah, these are the equipment, the relevant equipment. Okay, any question? No question. Okay, so here, what you see here, now you see these are already finished for the steaming and the color is vibrant, right? And what next step will be washing. Yeah, washing process will be the last one. So all these socks finished for the heating and steaming and heating. And then it will go here and waiting for the washing process. Like this barf scarf. Yeah, the barf scarf. Yeah, it is wool material. So all these kind of the applications after the whole process of the heating and steaming and heating, they will stand by here. They will stand by here and waiting for the further washing finishing process. So any question there? 有吗? Okay, so today we shared about who we are and what we do and how our printer works, and also we showed you how to print. It's very easy. Just one design, one picture, and then make the artwork, and then load up to the software. Easy click, print. Then it will finish the printing. Yeah, and after printing, based on what the kind of the material it is, and then go for a different process. So polyester will be the easiest one, and cotton, nylon, bamboo might be a little bit complicated, but still it is controllable. Okay. Any question?
That's amazing.
Oh, hey, Jack. Hey, thank you. Thank you so much for focusing on us, and follow us and subscribe us. Yeah, and we will share different kind of the printing solutions And next time we might show you the cotton material, but affected with the pigment ink to see what the difference it is compared with the cotton material affected on the water-based ink, reactive ink. So how much the difference it is, and what kind of the color fastness difference, and color fastness it is might be the washing color fastness, and also could be the rubbing color fastness. So how good and how worse they are, let's figure out next time, okay? And thank you for watching, and thank you for following us, and welcome all of you to subscribe us with the YouTube channel, Colorado Joan. So just follow us, and you will not miss us. And next time will be next week. And next week, Wednesday and Friday, Tina will be here, and see you next time, okay? Bye for now. And